Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today we're going to install the steering wheel, new ignition, because the ignition broke a couple days ago. So let's open the packages and get. Alright, let's see the parts here. Steering wheel adapter. Cool. Alright, open that. New ignition. My little tiny grant. Alright, I didn't do any video on the teardown of the steering column. There are enough videos on YouTube to do that, but once you get it all done, there's the old ignition that was locked up. Here's the brand new one. Works perfect. Then it's just start putting it back together. Yep. You got one bolt that holds the ignition in, then you got 3 bolts that hold this turn piece in, and 1 bolt that holds the turn signal mechanism in. Alright, now that I got that piece on, which was a nightmare, by the way, don't recommend to anybody ever wanting to replace the dang ignition. That was the worst. I can tell the horn doesn't line up perfect. There was that. Man, it's been so long since I installed one of these things. There we go. Now it's looking like a steering wheel is supposed to. Voila. Key works. Now, there it is. my custom little mini steering wheel.